everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Erica and today we're unboxing the November 2024 Sew Sampler. If you're new to Sew Sampler boxes, I will put a link on where you can get them in the description box below the video. They are released from Fat Quarter Shop monthly and they are sewing and quilting subscription boxes. They have lots of fun things inside, so we're going to take a look inside this month's box. So we're going to start out with the little insert. Here is what it looks like, and on the back there's a 15% off Taylor Seville products coupon code and a, let's see if I can show you, QR code for a slice and dice quilt download. And we're just going to dive right in. It does come with a little pamphlet in here that tells me everything in my box, how to use it, and the retail value. We're going to start off with the Peaceful Baskets Sew Along. This is block number 8, and it says, feel at peace in your sewing room as you work on Peaceful Baskets quilt. This sampler quilt draws on traditional sewing baskets for inspiration while becoming an artfully unique quilt. If you missed one, all of the Peaceful Baskets block patterns will be available at Fat Quarter Shop. They retail for $4.98. And once all 12 blocks are released, they usually put out a finishing instructions, and I am actually packing them all up. Once we have all of them plus the finishing instructions, I will ship them out to one of you. We'll do a little giveaway for all of the Peaceful Baskets block patterns and the finishing instructions. So the next thing in our box are the 4-inch perfect multi-purpose scissors. These value for $20.98. That seems a lot for scissors. Have you guys used these? These are stainless steel knife edge blades, comfortable. They look really sharp and they have that little grippy, but $20. Okay, it says the small perfect scissors from Karen K. Buckley make detailed cutting a total breeze. With a knife edge multi-purpose stainless steel blades, these little wonders slice sharply right into the tips. Right to the tips, sorry. The comfy handles are ambidextrous, perfect for both righties and lefties. Okay, that's interesting. That's something different. They're ideal for precision cutting for template plastic, freezer paper, fabric, and fabric with fusible stabilizers. These are your new crafting BFF. Okay, well, I'll be interested. If you guys have used these, leave a comment below and let me know. $20 for a tiny little pair of scissors seems a little bit expensive, but I guess if they can do everything they say, I don't know. They're really skinny. I'll be interested to see if they can do everything that they claim. The next thing in our box are the extra long and patchwork magic pin sample pack. This values at $2.48. When you're sewing up a storm, these pins can take the heat. This sampler card of patchwork pins and extra long magic pins will be your new favorite for piecing perfection. They glide through fabric like butter. The comfy grip pin heads are a joy to hold, and yes, you can iron right over them. These are the ultimate pins for every project. And they do have a few different kinds as well on the back. I have used the blue ones, the pink ones, and I think I have some of these, the purple ones, the fork pins, so there's like 2 prongs on them. So I actually really do like these pins. I didn't know you could iron on them because the ends look a little bit like rubber, or they feel like rubber. I do really like them. They're super sharp. I mostly use these for blocking my knit projects. I don't use them for piecing a whole lot. I use the little house pins for piecing. So I'll have to give these a try for piecing. But either way, I actually really do like these pins quite a lot. The next thing in our box is this all-in-one Quilter's Reference Tool by CT Publishing. It values at $16.98, and it says when your creativity is in full swing, don't let anything stop you. The all-in-one Quilter's Reference Tool from CT Publishing has your backing with everything you need. Diagonal set, blocking chart, block size charts, yardage charts, and even Y-seam instructions. Let your quilting skills flourish with this fantastic tool. There's some instructions on the back, and lots of information in here. I think this will be a really good addition to any sewing room. The pattern for this month is called Perennials by Fat Quarter Shop. It values at $9.98. They do have limited finishing kits available as well, and there is a QR code on the insert here. And it says your sewing room is the fertile ground for the Perennials quilt. With its vibrant, oversized blooms, it's an evergreen showstopper in any color scheme. This Fat Quarter friendly gem only needs 9 fat quarters. Pair it with the Melody bundle in this month's box for a colorful quilted garden. Finishes at 82 by 82, so it's pretty good size. You do need some backing and extra fabric, obviously, to go with the Fat Quarter bundle that I'm about to show you. The fabric is Perennials Melody Fat Quarter Bundle by Beverly McAuliffe, and it's $25.98 retail. Winter may be on its way, but we're turning up the heat with Melody. This delightful collection by Beverly McAuliffe for Riley Blake Designs is buzzing with songbirds, butterflies, florals, and chic geometrics. These 9 fat quarters will brighten up your space and next quilt with a cheerful splash of all the prints and colors from the line. And there are 9 in there. Okay, I added up the value of this month's box. It's $81.38. So that's a really, really good deal for the boxes. They are $29.95 a month plus shipping. So I am going to be giving away the pattern and fabric from this month's box to one of you. So for the giveaway, I have a few different rules. Number 1, make sure you're subscribed to my channel. I always do giveaways for my followers as a way to say thank you. Number 2, leave a comment below letting me know what your favorite thing was from this month's unboxing. And number 3, US only, please. International shipping is really expensive right now, so we have to keep it to US only. Also for the giveaways, I will reply to your comment here. I will also put your name in the video description box below this video, so you can always check there, and you can always email me at erica@confessionsofahomeschooler.com. If you think you've won. There are a lot of spammers out there this time of year trying to steal your money and personal information, so please don't give any of that out to any of them. Even if they steal my photograph and it looks like me commenting, just send me an email instead of replying to that to make sure whether or not you've won, and we will verify it that way. I don't want you guys to get taken advantage of. So that's going to be it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Like I said, make sure to leave a comment below, and I will be picking a winner here in a day or two, and we'll get this cute bundle sent out to you. Thanks so much for watching. Subscribe to my channel, like this video. You can also hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any upcoming fun, and I will see you in the next video. All right, I didn't add it up. Fat Quarter Shop, please start putting box totals on your inserts. What are we doing? When you're creative, okay, thumbnail secured.